What's up, guys? This is the Luke Jackass giveaway from our preview of Jackass trading cards. Top 2 people are going to win. All the followers should be on the list. Should be about 427. Yep. Okay. So top 2 after the random will win a box. And it was the boxes that we opened. So someone's going to get that Knoxville. Someone's going to get the Eric Andre and the gold. Good luck, everybody. We're going to go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and Nightman and Devil Dog. You are the winners. Well, Nightman will win the box that had the Knoxville, and Devil Dog will win the box that had the Eric Andre and gold titty card. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.